This is the Nail Grinder by FURminator. Comes included with 4 batteries. And there's also a guide online at FURminator.com/grooming. So this is the nail grinder outside of the package. The plastic is antimicrobial. And when I opened the package, it was hidden, but there is an extra replacement for the grinder. So not only does it come with the 4 batteries that it needs, it also comes with a replacement piece. So the FURminator Nail Grinder takes 4 AA batteries, does not need to be charged. Simply place and put back in. So now that we have the batteries in, put it on speed 1. As you can see, a light illuminates so that you can see the nail that's supposed to go into that hole. I can put it on speed 2. So if you put it halfway between 1 and 2, it will stop. You have to go all the way. Now if you want to change the grinder, you just pull the top off, straight off. Underneath is a little rubber piece to keep it in position. You're just going to slide that over and put it back on. And then you can replace the cap and you're ready to go.